Welcome back to AI Zen, your weekly source for insane free AI tools. 5 insane AI tools you'll wish you knew sooner. Most people only know ChatGPT, but today I'll show you 5 secret AI tools that are insanely useful and 100% free. These tools can speak, design, generate content, and more with just one click. Let's unlock some hidden AI power. Number 1. Durable AI Website Builder. Have you ever thought of building your own website with just one click? Well, now you can with this amazing AI tool called Durable AI. This tool is so powerful that it can build a full website for you in under 30 seconds. Just tell it what your business is all about and to whom you want to target your website. After that, you just need to click on the Generate My Website button and voila. You have a complete website with text, images, layout, everything you need to start publishing online. And the best part is, you can start using this tool completely for free. So if you are a freelancer, local business owner, or someone who wants to build a simple website without any technical knowledge, this is the perfect tool for you. Number 2. stockimg.ai Design Generator. If you're looking for an easy way to create stunning visuals for your next project, look no further than this AI design generator. With this tool, you can generate high-quality images for book covers, posters, wallpapers, app icons, and much more. The process is simple. Just type in what you want, and it will spit out a bunch of professional-looking designs for you to choose from. Whether you're a graphic designer, ebook, author, or content creator, this tool will save you time and effort while helping you produce top-notch results. Plus, it's completely free to use. Number 3. AI Speaking Tutor. So many people want to learn new languages or improve their speaking skills, but struggle to find the right resources. If you're one of them, this AI Speaking Tutor is here to help. All you need to do is click on the link below and start chatting with Talk. Tell it your level of expertise in the language you want to learn, and it will tailor its lessons to your needs. What sets TalkBerry apart from other language learning tools is that it focuses on real conversation and practical language use. You can practice your pronunciation by reading aloud and receive feedback from TalkBerry. This AI tutor is patient, encouraging, and always available to help you reach your language goals. Number 4. Voicemaker. In text-to-speech. Creating high-quality voiceovers used to be expensive and time-consuming, but thanks to this AI tool, anyone can create professional-sounding voiceovers in minutes. Simply enter your text, choose a voice, and download the voiceover file. You can use this tool for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and more. The best part about this tool is that it allows you to add emotion, pacing, and tone to your text, making your voiceovers sound more natural and engaging. Plus, you don't need a microphone to record your voice. You can do it all from the comfort of your computer. Number 5. AI Dungeon Interactive Story Generator. Looking for a fun and creative way to unleash your inner storyteller? Look no further than this interactive story generator. With this tool, you can create your own unique stories with just a few clicks. All you need to do is type in your prompt, and it will generate an entire story, complete with dialogue and characters. It's like having your own personal AI, whether you're looking to write the next great adventure story or just want to have some fun with friends. This tool is the perfect choice for you. It's easy to use, and the results are truly amazing. And that's a wrap on today's episode. We covered 5 awesome tools that can make your life easier and your work more efficient. If you've been feeling stuck or uninspired, these tools might be just what you need to get the creative juices flowing again. So go ahead, give them a try, and let us know what you think. If you're a fan of AI and technology, do you not forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update on the latest trends and developments. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of AI and ILL. See you in the next video.